Why do we sometimes sneeze just looking at the sun? Or after a big whiff of pepper? Let's get to the bottom of what makes us sneeze. Sneezing is your body's way of hitting the reset button for your nose. When something irritating like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell gets into your nose, tiny hairs called cilia send a signal to your brain. Alert! Intruder detected. Your brain then launches a dramatic defense. It tells your chest muscles and throat to contract fast, shooting air out to clear your nose. That's the achoo. Some people even sneeze from bright light. This is called the photic sneeze reflex, and about 1 in 4 people have it. So next time you sneeze, remember? It's just your body's high-speed cleaning crew keeping your airways clear, but